Most laser beginners make the same mistake. They make cool-looking products instead of products people already want to buy. Here are 10 laser engraving products that can actually sell locally or online. Number 1. Custom family name signs. These work because people buy them for weddings, housewarming gifts, and Christmas. Number 2. Engraved coasters. Sell them in sets of 4. Themes like fishing, farmhouse, hunting, and family names work best. Number 3. Pet memorial plaques. These are emotional purchases, which means people care more about the meaning than the price. And number 4. Realtor closing gifts. Realtors need repeat gifts, which makes this better than one-time customers. Number 5. Lake house signs. These sell well in rural and vacationers. Number 6. Christmas ornaments. These are easy to batch before Christmas. Number 7. Custom keychains. Low cost, easy to ship, and easy to sell as an impulse buy. Number 8. Cutting board engraving. Great for weddings and anniversaries. Number 9. Small business QR code signs. Restaurants, salons, food trucks, and vendors need these. Number 10. Kids sports team gifts. These sell because parents love personalized items. Trick is not making random designs. Pick one audience, make a simple sample, post it locally, and take custom orders. Start with coasters, signs, and realtor gifts. Those are simple, profitable, and easy to explain.